In this video, I'll guide you through to how to get your Typeform ID. Whether you're looking to integrate Typeform with other services or simply need the ID for organizational purposes, knowing how to find it is essential. Let's dive right in and explore how you can locate this crucial piece of information effortlessly. First things first, head over to typeform.com. If you're not already familiar with Typeform, it's a versatile tool for creating interactive forms and surveys. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up and start exploring the platform's numerous features. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you're already logged in. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard where all your forms are listed. This is the central hub for managing your forms. Select a form that you'd like to work with by clicking on it. You'll be taken to the form's main page where you can view and edit its contents. It's important to ensure you have access to the specific form you want to retrieve the ID from. If you don't see your form right away, you can use the search bar to quickly locate it. Now that you're inside your chosen form, look towards the top of the page and find the Share button. This button is your gateway to distributing your form and accessing its details. Click on Share to open up a new set of options. Here, you'll see various methods to share your form, ranging from direct links to embedding options. Once you've clicked Share, you'll be presented with the option to create a link to your form. Click on the link itself, which will typically display as a URL. This URL contains your Typeform ID, which is a unique string of characters that identifies your form. It's usually embedded within the URL itself, often appearing after a specific domain or path. This ID is what you'll use for integrations, analytics, and any other processes that require it. Next, you'll want to look into creating custom links. Custom links can be particularly useful if you're planning to distribute your form widely and want to track its performance across different channels. In this section, you'll notice that to access some advanced features, including creating custom links, you may need to upgrade your Typeform account. The upgrade provides additional capabilities such as enhanced analytics, more customization options, and priority support, which can be beneficial depending on your needs. If you find that upgrading is necessary for your purposes, consider the value it adds to your workflow and decision-making processes. However, if you're just looking to retrieve the form ID, you won't need to upgrade as the ID itself is readily accessible from the shareable link. And there you have it. This quick guide has shown you exactly how to find your Typeform ID. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to integrate Typeform into your workflow more efficiently. Remember, understanding how to navigate these tools can greatly enhance your productivity and open up new possibilities for data collection and analysis. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our guides for helpful tips and tricks.